project is doing is engaging those discussions, and I think it has an obvious, the project has an obvious connection with questions of activism, with questions of politics, right? And everybody within the project was there in part because of those obvious connections, and whenever the project is on the radio or television or in print, it connects very easily and obviously to questions of current importance, right? So that was something that was palpable within the project. And so from that palpable sense that this work was political came these questions. How are you defining the politics of the project? How do you view the project as being activist? How do academic freedom, community engagement, and activism relate for the project, right? And those were natural questions to emerge out of the fact that the project has obvious, the topic has obvious political importance in that those memories are still politicized and there are current hot-button political issues that seem to connect with this history. And so the question was really, given that this is emerging from the project, should there be some work on the part of the project to provide a forum for discussion of those matters, to open terrain for people to express, you know, as I've said, the kind of multiple views that they might have of this topic. Rather than a kind of design feature from the top, what I hope this forum does is open the opportunity for those conversations to take place, for a diversity of perspectives to be expressed, for scholarly and activist work to happen within the context of the project. So I'm, you know,